if I can pull up on her and surprise her. And then I have to go find my little spot. Let's see. This looks like it might be her. Right there, maybe? I think so. Let me see. Let's go see if this is my friend. Is that my friend? Where my friend? Oh! There, my friend. Hi.
Found you, huh?
I found you. How you doing? I'm Robin.
Robin, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
We gotta go fix up.
What happened?
I put the stairs in and it went like beyond the edges.
Oh, no.
First, go.
Huh?
She just bought it.
That's my first time.
Oh, this is your maiden voyage?
Yeah.
Very
Yes,
nice.
thank you.
Very nice.
told
Well, made it to my little spot. I put my little tag on the pole. It's a little wet around this spot, but it's a primitive spot, so I won't have any electric or water, but I am prepared for that. I probably am going to go back home because I have a delivery coming tomorrow, and it is going to have my solar power box I got. So I thought it was being delivered today, but it's being delivered tomorrow. So I will probably run back home and get it, just so I can get it, get used to it and stuff. But here's my little grill right there. We have our own little trash can. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Cannot get to the picnic table, it looks like. Looks like it's kind of muddy. I don't think it's hard either. So let's see. Maybe if I go on the edges, but picnic table's so way up in there. I'm not a fan of that. I do like the area though. It's nice and wooded. So yeah. So I will be unpacking. Gotta get Prince Rio out. Well, good morning. This is day 2 out here in camp. It was a little crazy last night. Mosquitoes about carried me away outside. So, right after dinner, we cooked and just ran inside and stayed in. Luckily, no mosquitoes got in. And I used my little screen covers I made out of the gutter screens. It had a nice breeze in here with my little fan sucking it in, so that was pretty good. Did have a couple of critters out here last night. I haven't been outside yet to go see what they did, but I heard them. Say good morning, Prince Rio. What do you see? What do you see, Prince Rio? He was curious last night too. But getting ready to make some coffee. This is a primitive site, so I'm using my small little power pack right there. It's a small anchor, but today being delivered, I have a 2400 watt power box with 200 of solar that I'll be using. I'm undecided if I'm gonna do another day or not. I was gonna do 3 nights, but I don't know if I want to do 3 nights because I can't enjoy sitting outside right here, and I think it's just the spot that we're at, because I've been to this state park many times. Of course, the weather was a little cooler. It did get to about 78 yesterday during the day, and it dropped to about 60 last night, which was very nice, but we'll see. Where you going, Prince Rio? Alright everybody, we done packed up from the primitive site and moved on to a site, the only one available. It had electricity and water, so I broke out my little portable shower right there, rinsed off my legs and stuff, getting ready to cook us some lunch. Kind of halfway set up. I still got the van a wreck because we just threw everything in here and hauled butt when they told us they had a available spot with electric. There's my friend Beth up in there chilling like a villain in her van set up. She cooked for me last night, so I'm cooking for her today. So that's what we got going on, and we are loving this spot with the electricity. Let me just tell you that. Excited. Gonna cook us up some stir-fry cabbage and ground beef. Yeah, got that going on. Let me show you how cool my little shower is. It's actually, it's a little sprayer that you fertilize your yard with or spray for poison. But I use it as a portable shower. So you turn it on. Got a rechargeable battery. Check it out. How cool is that? And when I say cool, it definitely will cool you off. So yeah, so when I set up my little shower tent, I'll be able to take a shower, but I don't need to use it today because as you can see, we got a spot right next to the bathhouse facilities. So I'll be able to go in there and get refreshed this evening. Back to cooking. Back to cooking. Sorry for the wiggles. Uh-oh. Sorry I dropped you. I'll get it together sooner or later. That's what edit is for, right? Huh?
This shit is smelling good already, too.
Told you that meat was good. It's good.
I mean, it's good.
It's good.
I believe.
I gotta get my onion.
I know you don't want to get yourself sick.
Heck no. And I'm funny about that.
Me too, girl.
I'll throw it away in a heartbeat.
Me too, girl. You know
I don't play when it comes to bad food. Now, where I got my onion. Oh, and let me show y'all. Got my refrigerator going. Ta-da! Tonight we're gonna have some filet mignon. That's what we're gonna have. she went and got us some drinks. I didn't even know they had a drink machine. Thank you, Fran. Hey, good morning, everybody. So, out here again at Fountainbleau State Park. Today is the last day. We moved spots, like I said earlier. But I wanted to show you my camping buddy, my friend Beth, that I go camping with all the time, and how she's got her rig set up. And she did all of this herself. And you can see all her adventures on Peep in the Parks and more on YouTube. Let's go around and show you, and she can explain some of the things that she did. I love her rig though. So this is hers. Hi, Beth.
Hey.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
This is my friend Beth, y'all, and this is her rig, the Holy Ghost. And this is her channel right there, Peep in the Parks and more.
Yep.
And this was a raw van, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And she did all this work herself. The floors. She's got her little rocks on the door. Let me come in here. And she's got so much more room than me. Oh my gosh, I want one of these so bad. She's got a refrigerator, just like mine. And hers fits perfect between her seats.
Plugs in with the jackery.
And it plugs in right there with the jackery, so it's got its own power source. This is her, what do you call that? What you put on there?
Vinyl. Just
That's
some
some
feature wall.
That's her vinyl. She loves the style of industry style.
Yeah.
There's her little girl.
Noonie. Say hey to the camera, Noonie.
Hey, Lil. That's Lily, y'all.
She needs a bath.
So, let's see. Tell us about what's going on here, Beth.
Well, I didn't know what I was doing. I never built before. I built out my truck, camper top, but me and Lily grew out of that quick because she's a bed hog. So I just built as I went. I didn't really have a plan. I knew I was going to put a bed in. I knew I was going to put a floor in. I knew I was going to put a bed in with, storage underneath. And this also lifts into a sofa. So this lifts.
Wow.
It goes higher.
Nice.
And then I put a bar right here. And then I have a sofa that points out that way, and the other side can point this way.
Awesome.
Same thing. Sofa that can point this way. I do my cooking here. This is just for brushing teeth and washing my face and hands and stuff.
Sure.
And then it goes down into a little gray water bucket.
And this removes, you said,
This
right?
removes, yep.
Let's see.
Keeps everything from popping off while I'm driving.
Nice. Oh, there you go. Look, she's got a microwave and a
Keurig,
little Keurig.
a blender, my stove, my toaster.
Wow.
Back here I have a
Oh,
kettle.
I didn't even know you had this little stuff here.
So this pops up to make an extra,
Okay, a little
countertop
countertop.
type deal.
Oh, yeah.
and I just have a funnel that goes into a gray water bottle.
Okay, that's the funnel that goes from her little
Correct.
sink where she washes her face, brush her teeth, or whatever. And she has a little bottle
Mm-hmm.
that,
So you take this down and you can see how
nice.
this
That to block it, yeah.
yeah, but yeah, and then I just push it up and it holds itself up.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. And so what kind of vehicle is it?
It's a 1997 E250 40 Counterline. I got my lights running off of 12 volts. These are my storage lockers. I got clothes in both of these. First aid kit, medicines, Listerine, yada, yada, yada. This one's empty, so it's probably gonna start storing my food in there because I've been storing my food in this.
Gotcha.
So
Lucky you have an empty cabinet. I wish I had the extra space.
yep, extra space. I got a 5-gallon water bottle back here. Yep. And eventually I'm gonna run my,
Oh, who gave you the water bottle?
you did. We traded. I'm gonna
That's
run my
right.
faucet to the 5-gallon.
Nice.
But yeah, I can stand up. Still got headroom. Yep.
Let me see. I think I can stand up just about. I'm 5'6".
Without your bun.
Yeah, if my
Without your
bun,
honey
right?
bun.
If my bun wouldn't be on, I could stand up.
Then back here I got my TV. I got a junction box over here with toggle switches that run off 12 volts.
Nice. Nice. And look, she's got a disco ball.
Got a disco ball.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yep.
This is the party bus right here.
1500 Vitomin.
Nice.
Yeah.
She's got a little tray for the queen over there. She's got her own little bed tray.
Then I got these.
Oh, nice.
To
Okay, little catch-all.
gather my junk. Yep.
Okay, and there's your fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Nice.
Yep.
Very
Carbon
good.
monoxide detector.
Oh, yeah, okay. Very
and
good.
all my electricity back in the top corner back there.
Nice.
Yep.
Love it. Love it, love it. Oh, and here's her privacy curtains up here. She's got them running on a track. So now she's blacked out. That, I love that. I actually love
Just
that.
tuck that in.
So did you have to bend this to go form to that?
It's plastic. It just forms.
Really? Okay.
It's plastic.
I like that.
Yep.
And it comes with the clips, or you bought that separate?
Nope, comes with the clips.
Nice. And you just bought the curtains then?
I did.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It's a thick-
And then that's a little cabinet right there, right? Behind the curtain.
Yeah, I keep my
Oh wow.
And I
Window covers and
keep some
stuff.
heavy tools in here, like
Nice.
pry bar and
Yeah.
some road flares and
Okay.
the triangles. You know.
Very, very cool.
Yeah, that's about it.
Love it. Well, thank you for
You're
letting
very
me
welcome.
interview
You're
you.
very welcome.
Y'all go check out Peep in the Parks and more. All right, everybody. Time to break down camp. Time for us to roll on out. So, getting everything prepped for travel. It's always the worst part about camping, but has to be done. So, till next time, time to put the things away. And if y'all have not seen, that's my little trunk space from removing the rear seating. I love, love, love it. So I got that there, and got to empty out my shower. That's my little shower thingy there. And I had somebody ask me about my how I stored my extension cord, because a little trick I learned from my son on storing your extension cord, it keeps it from getting knotted up and it stays ready. So you're going to double it, make sure all the kinks are out, like so, like that. All right, and then what you're going to do, it's kind of like crochet or weaving. Make you a loop, pull it through. Let's see. So you're going to make a loop, you're going to pull it through like that, and then you just keep repeating it and pulling it through. And then when you get to where you're going, all you do is just pull the ends and it all comes undone. It's not tangled, and you don't even have to undo it all if you just need it for a short distance. You could just leave some of it crocheted. You don't have to undo all of it. And there it is. After you get to the very end, like that, you take this one, run it through, and tie it together. Like that. Now, it'll store away. Stores away. No tangles. And then when you're ready for it, voila, you have it like that. My solar flashlight all charged up now. Very good. And then here's my light my friend Beth gave me. This thing's awesome, super bright, and she's got magnets on it. You stick it anywhere. It's motion detects, comes on middle of the night. Love it. It's solar powered. Got my bed all bundled up. And now I gotta empty the shower. I'll show y'all one more time how this works. This is what I put in my little shower tent. It's actually a lawn fertilizer, or if you're spraying poison, or you know, if you do that on your yard. It's got a battery powered, and there you go. Got a shower, and it's rechargeable battery. It comes with a couple of different attachments. So, and it was a Temu find. Y'all know me, I'm a Temu fanatic. So, not saying. Oh, somebody yelling at their child over there non-stop. That's nice. And that's how you empty it. Love this thing. Love it, love it. And now while that's doing that, I shall continue packing up.
I think it was that one I could see in there last night. 2 recliners and a big screen TV. You like, what table? I looked back, they had closed curtains.
Well, you said it was right in front of me, so I'm like, in front of me. Let's see, Prince Rio is in here. Look at Prince Rio Kitty. He's ready to go. You ready to go, Kitty? Kitty's ready to go home. And that's how I keep his little potty. You know, everybody says, oh, does it smell? No, it don't smell. It does not. And for travel, I just put the lid. And I have traveled with this kitty cat 11 hours at a time. I go back and forth to visit my son that lives in Cape Canaveral, Florida. And he travels with me. Sometimes it takes us 11 hours. And he is the best little travel kitty. He's a good boy. Him is a good boy. Gee whiz. You must have filled it up, huh?
I didn't fill it up.
My little handy dandy step stool, all adjustable. Love this thing. Love it, love it. Tucks away nicely. And then after this all empties, there's actually a storage unit for it. It goes right in there. So this all packs away. Very, very convenient. It has been fabulous. There we go. Like so, like that. And then here's the little filters that go in it. Shower on the go. On the go. Oh, look, I got a little ladybug. Bye-bye. And then there's Prince Rio's little playpen right there. Got that. of people coming into the park today. Beautiful state park, Fountainbleau State Park, Mandeville, Louisiana.